How to add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut. Here we go. Now click on the option of New Project. With that, your gallery will open up. Now you can select the picture in which you want to add the music. You can select the multiple pictures. If you want to do so, check in for the multiple pictures. Then click on Add. Now from here, you can easily customize the time frame for the pictures. I'm gonna set each of the picture for 8 seconds. Once you do that, now in order to add the music, click on this option of audio. Different options will appear: sounds, brand music, copyright, sound effects, extract, and voiceover. Select the option that is suitable for you. I'm going to use the sound from the CapCut. After you have selected the sound, now you can adjust it. You can adjust the music for the full pictures in this way. Once you are done, you can export it. Well, this way you can easily add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. Now you can get this video in your gallery. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.